Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a WhatsApp group without saving numbers, in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Send a message without saving the number first. Open the browser on your phone, like Chrome or Safari. In the address bar, type wa.me/phone number. Now, enter the phone number in international format, without any plus sign, spaces, dashes, or brackets. For example, if the number is written like this, then change it, and write it like this. Tap Go. You'll now see a Continue to Chat button. Tap on it. WhatsApp will open. If both WhatsApp and WhatsApp Business are installed, select the one you want to use. Now, you can directly send a message without saving the number. Step 2. Message other people the same way. Repeat the same process for other numbers using the wa.me link. There's no need to save any contact. Just send a quick message to each person. Step 3. Create a WhatsApp group without saving numbers. Once they reply, those chats will appear in your WhatsApp chat list. Now, open WhatsApp and go to the Chats tab. Tap the plus icon on the bottom right side and select New Group. Your contact list will appear, and the people who replied to your message via wa.me will also be visible there. Search their number, select them, and continue. Give your group a name, add a photo if you want, and tap Create. And that's it. How to create a WhatsApp group without saving numbers. If this video helped, like this video, and subscribe to my channel for more quick tech tips. See you in the next video.